Did you want anything from McDonald's?
No, I'm off McDonald's. I bought at McDonald's. I can go get.
What did they do to you?
Hey?
What did they do to you?
Oh, they me off. They're just everything. Nothing looks like the picture. It's all. It's half warm. It ain't nice.
Right, I'm just literally pulling off my drive now, so I'll be with you in about 10-15 minutes.
I go to McDonald's.
No, I won't. I'll give it a miss.
I've got cake for you. I'm getting some blackjack.
Oh, brilliant. I'll be round in 5 minutes, not 10. Just pull out. So the bike looks like it's staying on there, which is good. We're going around a roundabout and it's not going anywhere. Good. That's what we like. It's roasting in this car already. I'm sweating. Middle-aged man sweating. Not a good look. We're off over to Dave's. We're going to do some welding, some fabricating, some arcing and sparking, as the pudding fab shop likes to call it. Hopefully we're going to get this frame finished up today. I want to try and extend the frame, get the seat on, and then if we can get the disc brake calipers welded on as well. But we'll see. That's the plan. But obviously it's quite a lot of work, and we've only got a morning to do it, I suppose. I was going to go to McDonald's, but as you just heard, Dave's boycotting McDonald's. And if I'm honest, I can understand why. The food never looks like it should. Nearly missed a gear there. And it's cold, and it's just not very nice really. And they put the prices up as well, so rather be about a 10-minute drive, 10-15 minute drive. And then we'll start arcing and sparking. Yeah, boy! Well, if it didn't fall over then, it ain't gonna fall over. Woo! Everyone's in a rush. It's Bank Holiday Monday. Chill the f*** out. Right, here we go. Turbo mode. Woo! Racing for pink slips. I did you, mate. I did you. I was only going 50 miles an hour then. It's about as fast as this truck goes. Oh no, 55. Slow down, Will, you crazy bastard! The bike has stayed on. We've still got about 4 miles to go, so there's still time for it to fall over. But I'm pretty sure if we do smash it up at this point, we can fix it. So Dave's built custom cars before, so he knows his way around the old arcing and sparking machine. I've welded about that much on a bit of a blank plate, which he was teaching me. I quite enjoyed it, to be honest with you. I've got one brain cell, Dave's got like 5 or 6, to be honest with you. So I normally tell him what my idea is, and then he kind of fills me in with what we should actually do. So I've got an idea in my head what I want the bike to look like. I'm going to show him a picture, and then hopefully we can fabricate something to look like. The Super73 is about to be born today. Hopefully this is going to be one of many. So I've just noticed the box I put in the back of the truck is open. This could be expensive. Hopefully not. It's obviously I've got my battery in there, the seats in there, the controllers in there. So I'm hoping this isn't going to be an expensive mistake. There's only one way to find out. It's either in there or it's not. This is a steep hill. It takes all my 2 horsepower to get up it. So we've just gone up a really steep hill. Now we've got to go down an even steeper hill. I turn my truck into a go-kart and I just take it out of gear and roll down. Normally gets to about 30 miles an hour, which when you're rolling it feels quite strange. I know what the speed I get to because there's a speed camera at the bottom and it tells you whether you've been driving sensibly or not. I always get the thumbs up, the smiley face, because that's the kind of guy I am. Got a smile on your face. And what's it say? 28 miles. Thank you very much, 28. Oh, what's that on my leg? Get it off. Still rolling. You see me rolling. Still going down the hill. Still rolling. Free fuel. Don't need an electric car when you've got lots of hills. Handbrake on, because that could be expensive.
We're going to cap this off.
Great safety mask. Arcing and sparking.
They're like the strength of the. Yeah, if you go on them flush, you can lose half the strength of the weld.
Oh, well, so even though it looks better, it's not as strong.
Yeah, it will look smooth, but the weld will be half disappeared. So I'll leave them there like that.
That's fine. Ah, that's how you flatten it.
Oh yeah. It's going, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that, I can weld 90 degrees on there. I've just tied it in there.
Is that exactly the right side of that?
Yeah, that is.
That's mad, isn't it? Look at that. Science.
The science and the logic. Hear me now! It'll only add to my sunburn from yesterday. Can you hold that at the front?
How that there, yeah?
Yeah, I'm just trying to check. So all we need to do is work out the angle. Go forward anymore?
Yeah. Got about 2 mil there before it's the head.
That'll be about right, yeah. We'll scallop that out so that fits right in there.
Yeah. As in, what does that mean? Like curve it?
Curve it in.
Yeah. That runs along there.
45 mil from there, so by the time we scallop that in, that can go right up to the front, that'll be fine. That height going to be okay there?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So, I had a look a minute ago. So you imagine the seat's quite high anyway.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I can do about right there.
yeah.
Bike should be level and that should be level there.
Have you ever had the arc eye?
I have had the arc eye.
Is it horrible?
Yes. It looks like throwing sand in your face.
Is it? I remember chatting to somebody before and they were saying about when they were asleep or something. It's really bad.
That's when it normally comes and gets you. So we're level with that, everything's in line there.
Yeah.
But whether here at the back we're a little bit out.
So between there and there.
It's not a lot out actually. When you come back here and look at it, you could be leaning sideways on it, couldn't you? Why? And just see if that thing is level to the ground.
As in?
Yeah, that way.
That way. Now the eagle eyes looks alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
Keep it there.
Yeah.
That should be held there though. Yeah?
Yeah?
It's gone back, it's gone back, is it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't even odd any kind. Right, we're happy with central there, yeah? You happy with central there and central on that?
Yeah. That ain't going nowhere, is it?
No. Wants to be up about there, doesn't it? Then we can slide it that way, whichever way we want to pinch. Yeah. Right, let's just cut it off there. Behind our level.
What's that do?
it stops all the splattery bits sticking to the. You know, when if it pings a bit off,
Yeah.
it just stops it sticking to the other.
Damo's there.
Damo's there. We're getting on. That's done, mate.
Almost done that.
Yeah, it's done.
We added a bracket for the caliper as well, haven't we?
Yeah, so brake caliper bracket down there, frame cut in there, new tube, made this a few old bits, then put two supports down to there, and a support up there, and then triangulated that section in the middle and just welded it all in.
Yeah.
Nearly there. Caliper bracket for the front. It took longer than I thought it would. Yeah, I thought it'd take us like hour and a half. What have we been on it now?
I think we started at about 11, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's 2 o'clock now.
Is it? That's 3 hours. So if we wait for it to cool down while drinking tea,
Yeah.
and then you put the back wheel back in it,
Yeah.
and then I can modify the seat and then do the front caliper.
So we've done it, it's all welded, it looks amazing, looks so much better than I thought it would. It took a lot longer than we thought, definitely a lot longer than Dave thought. I'll probably drive through everything, so put everything on, make sure it all works, take it for a bit of a test drive. I'll key it up and prime it up, just so it doesn't start rusting, and then decide whether I'm going to, what colour I'm going to paint it and what process I go with. Really pleased with the look of it and the style. Definitely how I pictured it in my head. That was a fun afternoon or a fun day. Thank you, Dave, and thank you for watching. If you could give this video a thumbs up, that'd be great, and subscribe. I need to get those subs up. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, yeah?